Yung curriculum ba nila, whether 3 semesters o 4 quarters, kailangan matugunan na nila yung issue of quality education, yung reading comprehension. Kasi yun talaga yung issue eh.
Posibleng lumala pa ang functional literacy sa bansa kung hindi mareresolba ang kalidad ng edukasyon. Ito ang paniniwala ni House Committee on Basic Education and Culture Chairperson, Pasig City Representative Roman Romulo, matapos magsagawa ng briefing ang Department of Education kaugnay ng ipatutupad na 3-term school calendar simula sa pasukan sa June 2026 hanggang June 2027. Anya, mas mahalagang maresolba muna ang usapin ng curriculum sa gitna ng usaping pagbabago sa instructional time.
Whether 3 semesters o 4 quarters, ang importante, ang DepEd na magsalita rin tungkol sa curriculum at ano yung plano nilang gawin para malutas natin itong function literacy challenge na apparently it's from grade 2 all the way to senior high school.
Sa ulat ng Second Congressional Commission on Education o EDCOM-2, nasa 87% ng grade 11 students ang hindi maituturing na independent readers o hirap umunawa sa kanilang binabasa. Sa 3-term school calendar naman, may ilang concern ng EDCOM-2 para sa DepEd, gaya ng kung papaano makatitiyak ang sapat na workload sa mga guro at maiwasan ang learner fatigue.
Teacher workload and fatigue must also be raised if ARAL is conducted in class, particularly key learning stages 3 and 4, longer class days are required. So we have to factor in the amount of fatigue and amount of ability of our teachers to really function optimally within these times.
Kami po sa central office, we want to provide both the room for the teachers for the flexibility, but at the same time some minimum standards or support po para po teachers know and they're guided onto next steps so that they could implement the 3-term calendar and make sure that they are able to teach and they're able to feel prepared this coming school year po. Yeah.
Samantala, nasilip din sa briefing ang isinagawang orientation sa mga guro ng DepEd kaugnay ng 3-term school calendar.
Na-question po namin yung pamamaraan ng orientation na sa tingin namin, it's not more than the numbers. Yung kalidad po talaga kasi yung isang araw, 9 to 4 p.m., papupuntahin po yung ating mga guro sa loob po ng kanilang mga paaralan, manonood ng online, it's like a watch party. Tingin namin kailangan pa talagang susugan.
And the idea po talaga doon, we know that at full day orientation is not effective po talaga na makikinig lang. Yung range po ng participants as small as 3,000, as large as I think 10 or 15,000 po. Yung pinakamalaki kasi minsan po iba-ibang mga regions or divisions nagsasama-sama po sila doon sa broadcast.
Para naman sa ilang guro, dapat nagpatupad muna ng pilot testing para sa 3-term school calendar. Ganito rin ang pananaw ni ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino.
Importante ihanda po yung ating mga guro, no? Dapat wala nang mga tanong, no? As of this time, no, considering that we only have more than 1 week, no, to go, no, for the opening of classes.
Ngayon nakikita natin na minamadali, walang piloting, no? Kahit sa training pa lamang, yun ang narinig natin dito, no, na meron central office lang ang nagte-train at nag-orient para sa almost 1 million teachers.
Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.